Imagine earning money just by watching ads. Yes, you heard that right. Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.20. Watching 10 Google ads, you can make over $12. And real people like you and me are making withdrawals of $2, $6, or even $10 every minute just by watching these ads. So give this video a like and let's jump right into it. The first step is to go to this new website where you can watch Google ads and earn money while doing it. I'll reveal the website name in just a moment, but first, let me tell you, this site has already paid out over $7 million to its users. It has a high star rating on Google with reviews from over 5,000 real users worldwide, so you know it's reliable. This platform is available globally, so it doesn't matter where you are. You can start making money with it. Before we continue, comment your country below. I want to create more videos tailored to you and others in your region. Now, the name of the website is swashapp.io. You can either search for SwashApp on Google or head straight to swashapp.io to get started. I'll even share a bonus trick that can help you 10x your earnings with SwashApp, so stay tuned until the end. As you can see, over 300,000 people are already making money with SwashApp, and it's completely free to use. That's right, no investment needed. Just watch Google ads, and you'll start getting paid right away. You'll earn points for watching these ads, which you can later redeem for gift cards, cash, or even crypto. Depending on your country, you can earn from a few cents up to $1.20 per ad watched. SwashApp is available in 200 plus countries worldwide, so there's no limitation based on your location. Not only that, but they offer various payment methods like PayPal, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if none of those work in your country, you can still get paid directly to your bank account using Visa Debit. So even if PayPal isn't available for you, SwashApp has you covered. Now, to start earning by watching Google ads with SwashApp, here's step 2. Click on the Get Swash button on their homepage. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can see they have over 500,000 installs and 5,000 plus positive reviews. Just click on Add to Chrome to install the SwashApp extension, then click Add extension when prompted. Once it's added, you'll be taken to a page where you select Yes, I am new here, and create a new wallet. From there, you'll be directed to their privacy policy page. Read through their terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box and click Next. On the next page, you'll be asked to save your private key. Be sure to keep it safe. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter some basic details like your gender, age, and household income, then press Next again. To finish setting up, enter your email address and verify it with the code they send you. Once verified, you'll see a message congratulating you on creating your Swash wallet. Scroll down and click Turn Swash on to access your Swash profile. It will look something like this, but keep in mind that only verified members can withdraw their earnings, so make sure to complete your profile by verifying your phone number. If you prefer a different look, there's even a light mode option you can enable. Once you've set up your account, click on Earn More from the left-hand menu. This brings you to a page where you can activate the Earn from Ads option. Enable this feature, and you'll start seeing banner ads in your browser. These are non-intrusive ads from SwashApp that will appear while you're browsing. You don't even need to click on the ads to get paid. Just by having them show up on your screen, you'll earn money. But if you're interested in the ad, feel free to click. It's completely optional and won't impact your earnings either way. Now, here's step 3 to really boost your income. To earn 10x more than the average user, explore the additional earning options on SwashApp. Besides watching ads, you can earn by completing offers, surveys, and installing apps. There's even a referral program where you can invite friends and family to SwashApp through your unique link. And soon, SwashApp will launch a mobile app, giving you more ways to earn on the go. And that's it for today's video. I've shown you how to earn money by watching Google ads with SwashApp, plus a bonus tip on how to 10x your earnings. But if you want me to create a live withdrawal video showing my earnings, give this video a thumbs up and comment SwashApp withdrawal proof below. If we get 4,000 likes, I'll make that video for you on E-UZI. One last thing, when you first install the SwashApp extension, the earning options may not be activated, so make sure to enable all the options in your profile to start earning right away. Once enabled, enabled, ads will start showing up as you browse, watch YouTube, read blogs, or do anything online. Remember, you don't have to click on these ads to make money. They just need to be visible on your screen. So sit back, browse as you normally would, and watch the money roll in. And if you want to increase your earnings even further, head to the Earn More section, where you'll find options to complete surveys, offers, and other tasks. There's also an option to invite others and earn through referrals, which can add up to substantial income over time. Soon, Swash app will have a mobile version, which means you'll be able to earn from anywhere. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you start earning with Swash app. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below to tell me what you think, and don't forget to share this video with friends who'd like to make some extra cash by watching ads. See you in the next one.